Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today's update here for Gala. We are trading at 0.0598. 24-hour volume, we are down 18%. And market cap, we are up 2.60%. Now, heading over to our chart, again, I have it laid out for our day here. We can see the uptrend coming up all the way up here, capping up only at 6650. We can see the crossover already that occurred. And as the price is coming downwards, as we saw, the momentum is getting lighter in color, not as strong as we wanted to, especially coming up here. The volume itself is coming down as well. And the Bollinger Bands look like they are slightly expanding. Now, going into immediate short term for 4 hours, we do have a a chart pattern here, a symmetrical triangle that we're taking a look at. Now, we can see that price consolidated sideways from resistance at 38% of our fib to 78% of our fib as well. Now, as the price is coming down, we're hitting majority of supports opposed to the top of the trend line. So it does come into fact that we may actually break through this trend line as support as the Bollinger Bands are narrowing. So normally the expectations for Bollinger Bands when they narrow, it ultimately means that there's not a lot of volatility. That means price isn't going to move as quickly as we wanted, and it's going to hit resistance, hitting support until there's some type of breakout. But what we can see here, again, not a whole lot of touches on our top trend line, however, a lot of touches on our bottom trend line. So as price is going to be consolidating sideways here, what we're going to see is a breakout on the downtrend. And the way that I say that is because of multiple factors in different time frames. So on the 4-hour time frame, we can see our K line is at 13% and our D line is at 42%. Although we are considered to be oversold and it could be an opportunity to buy in here, it is not as strong because of the line here is not reaching. The D line is not reaching or doing a crossover again. Also, that we do look at our MACD and we see that there may be an extension of the bear market closer to an area of support of 61% or 5955. We can see multiple candlesticks bouncing off really nicely here, and the placement is near our 20 MA. What we can see in a 3-hour time frame is a little bit different when it comes to our MACD indicator. The trend itself is indicating more of a bullish trend as price came up here and was considered to be overbought on our RSI. But not only that, it was found closer to the top of the Bollinger Band. Notice in the 3-hour time frame also that it is narrowing as well. Another sign that consolidation is going to occur. However, take a look at our MACD that the lines are really close to crossover, signifying that there could be a trend change. And when we see this here closer to a trend line, it is ultimately going to break that level of support. Again, 2-hour time frame, what do we see? We see on the MACD, lightning in color, possible trend change as well. We see on our RSI a possible buying opportunity. And normally when we see our RSI cross over like this below the 20% line, which is this red line here, sometimes we see a surge in the price. But if we see the crossover of our MACD, the price wouldn't be significantly breaking out. It would only retrace close to the next retracement level that we have on our fib, which is the 6085. Okay, so if it does expand in a bullish end, we can come up here and hopefully break through the 3820. But if we take a look at our 1-hour time frame, it's already switched over to the bear market itself. And again, got rejected from the 20 MA. We can see this Bollinger Band squeeze indicating a breakout on a lower time frame. So taking a look at all of the time frames with our RSI, our MACD, and our fib chart retracement, price is going to come back down closer to this area or the outskirts of this volume here. We can see outskirts right here at the 5859. And depending on how strong the current is for the MACD, it may actually break through this support area and have more of an impact when it comes to breaking this triangle that we've got here. So we can again already see here is the histograms or the bars already signifying very, very small, but in all the other time frames, it was going to cross over, ultimately resulting in a pullback That's going to come down to an area of support. And what we want to make sure that we do not do is we don't want to have more than 5% of a decrease from here, because price is going to come back all the way down to the 5 cents here, or the 5080 price. So that's my video for Gala, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.